The second topic writing in Initiation 2 is writing a conversation in any situation. In writing a conversation, you are asked to take the advantage of your imagination to elaborate the discourse. Let's see one of the examples of a conversation text. The situation is about the meeting of two students that they've never met before. In this text, you will see that the writer tried to imagine the situation of how two people who never met become familiar to each other. See that the writer imagined the conversation of two stranger students. They begin with self-introduction, personal information such as where they come from and their department. Getting familiar each other by asking the person lives. So, that's how the writer imagined the conversation of two students who never met before. Can you write a conversation for different situations? I hope after this you can make it one. Alright, that's about writing a conversation in any situation.